During this week's video, we body swapped the OBS truck. Welcome back to the channel. This video's mission is to get this big old frame, our HD frame, into the garage because we got to put the cab on it. We got to cut all the body mounts off this frame and find a new home for that OBS cab to live on this HD frame. But we have a problem. I don't have anything at the house that can pull this frame into the garage. I got two Jeeps here. Neither one of them have a tow point. Got the XJ, no tow point, just a little baby receiver hitch. So that won't do. And my ZJ, my daily, we cut that hitch off to put on the tractor. That now the tractor's broke. Now we don't have a tractor, leading me to do this. We got these old hooks off of our Liberty when we first took our Liberty off-roading for the first time. So these are the hooks from that. When we put the stinger bumper on that Liberty, we took these off. So now we have these, and let's put these on my ZJ temporarily. Probably build a bumper for the ZJ as well. But for now, we need to get this frame in. So let's build some tow points on the ZJ. But first, this blue isn't gonna go good with our color theme on the ZJ, so we're gonna have to paint them yellow. Paint yellow and find a home for these, and we'll pull this frame in. It's been a couple days. We got the hook on the Jeep, so let's go get that frame. The frame kind of has a mind of its own, but we got it out from under the weeds. Now we got to get that in the garage. Let's build a truck. Well, doing some cutting. Got 4 body mounts off. It's going fairly well. Probably only have a half an hour into this so far, maybe 45 minutes. Got the 2 front ones off and the 2 back ones. I don't think I have to take these third ones off. This would have been the C-pillar on the extended cab truck that was on here. And then this would be the box. This cross piece is Ishkabibble, so that needs to go as well. We already have this cross member in and this one here, so that one can go bye-bye. So let's cut the C-pillar off. I don't think I have to, but I think our rock sliders might be a little bit too long, and it might give us a little bit of issue while we're trying to put the body on the HD frame. Because I thought we might be able to use these, but let's just ditch them. clean this frame up. I should clean this frame up better too, but we're just gonna mock the body up for now and eventually pull this cab off again and bring this to sandblasting, get this frame sandblasted and take that body back off and do a little bit better finish work on the body as well. Holy schmackers. This C-pillar body mount, she a 2-layer. I just spent as much time taking this C-pillar body mount off than I did those other 4. Sheesh! Being 2 layers there, I had to try to cut through both with the plasma cutter. I'm almost tempted to just leave these now because I'm getting impatient. Also taking all the rust off the frame. Might not have to sandblast it. That's a joke. We're just out here playing OBS Jenga. We try to deflate the tires. Being no weight on the frame, the tires really didn't deflate. So now we took the tires and wheels off. We got a jack under there. We're trying to get this frame underneath the cab because the hump in the frame is too high and it wants to hit the floor and we can't get these jack stands up any higher. Improvising. See if we can get this frame under here. Well, it's been a hot minute since I've worked on the OBS because we were gonna do some grilling and we were out of gas. Gonna mow the yard. The kid was gonna mow the yard, flat tire. So we put some of those no flat tires on there because I picked these front wheels up for a tractor, a lawn tractor, but those ones don't fit. So I stole the ones off of our Cub, our Polar, because those were the no flats. So took the no flats off the little Cubby and then putting those rib tires right there on the Cub. Then we will get back to the wrecker, hopefully tonight. Day's getting long. All right, let me put these tractors back together. Well, I've been sitting here for about 20 minutes looking at the cab. We got the frame leveled out. We got the cab where we want it. But the problem is, yeah, that's not gonna work. We got way too much fender into it's supposed to be our wheel well. So this whole fender needs to come this way, probably 6 inches. But like I said, I would like the cab where it's sitting because I like it where it is in the frame. And then we could put the boom right here on that flat piece. And we got all that real estate back there. But it's just not gonna work. So I got this 1x4 that's supposed to be trim for my chicken coop that I haven't put on yet. So I'm gonna cut that in half, put it underneath the body, and then we can let those jack stands down, and then we can scoot the body forward where we need to put it. See it? It's a OBS pickup on an HD Chevy frame. It's the first time this cab has ever been on the frame. So we got the jack stands off the body and the cab is sitting on the frame. We got the 1x4s underneath. We just need to scoot the cab up a little bit, find its home. You just saw us use the ratchet strap and a 2x4. We were able to get that cab moved forward on the HD frame. Now the next step is to find out, is this where we want the cab? And this is also the part of the video where I have high expectations. I wanted to put the body mounts on, but I just can't decide where I want this cab. You can see I got some masking tape there. We would have to cut the fenders if we keep the cab here to fit the big 37s that we're gonna put on this wrecker. So I'm gonna end the video here because some big decisions have to be made and I need to decide. So I'm gonna sit here on my chair and look at this cab a little bit longer, do some more measurements. We also have to go to the steel yard. I tried to do that the other day and they were closed. So I actually don't have any plating to put on the frame when we do the rock sliders to the frame because I want to plate it on the frame, and so I still have to get that metal as well, and I need to post this video. So we post our videos every Wednesday at 6 and I want to try to beat the algorithm, so let's keep doing that. I'll end this video and I'll see you guys on the next one. During this week's video we trip over a stool.